Hey, what's up everybody? Here Ivan gonna do a super quick video on Craigslist, CL, on CPA marketing, how I'm making some money. Pretty simple. On the free section on on Craigslist for CPA marketing. Right here I just post this one. I'm getting a lot of messages from people that want it for free. Usually it's an offer from a private CPA network that I pay money to join. But I'm killing it. I'm killing it. Offer up too. I stopped promoting offer up because I was caught up in something else. Paper car. But usually I don't promote offer up on my PC, but let me try how it works right here. My offers. I have a lot of dummy accounts on CL and offer up. I think it's one of the best places to promote right now on traffic and influencers. I might do a video about influencers on YouTube and Instagram. YouTube, much better. Or stealing domain names is awesome on YouTube. People that they have a lot of traffic. They have a lot of traffic on their YouTube videos, but their domain already expired, so you can steal, hijack their domain name for $12, and you can get sales. It's just replaced for a ClickBank offer if it's like on the weight loss niche or dog training niche or something. Sports too. But yeah, right here you can see right here I have like 3,647 views on this post and a lot of messages. And usually what I do, like right now, I think I post like a month ago. Usually I just respond to all these people on my PC. I'm lazy on the phone, to be honest. I just post it, but usually to respond back, I just go to my PC. But like this one is already down, all the way down, on the free section, all the way down, like on the 10th page. It's been for a month, but I still getting messages like this person's. Usually what I do after that, after it's already on the 10th page, I just go right here, sell faster, and then pay $7, $7.99 for 3 days. On the top again, this is called what's it called? Bond, like right here, bond, who's bond right here. This is for 1 day only, but this is for 3 days. So if you want to test it out right here, if you want to try CPA marketing, this offers CPA marketing, just go test it out, this one at first. But then if you want to scale it up, go with this one. Usually I use this one. 3 days for $8, because if they see you that you're doing this a lot, they might just flag your post. Offer up. I try them for 14 days. It's very cheap, $20 for 14 days to put it on the top and offer up on the free section. But they will find out. Trust me, in the 7 day, on this one too, 7 days. So you should try this one or this one 3 days. So just a heads up on that if you wanna promote CPA offers. But yeah, I'm killing it. Like right now, compared right here, I'll get a lot of messages like this, not like on Craigslist right now. I get a lot of messages like I don't know where to start. Like you can see right here, every 2, 3 minutes, one every minute, so it's crazy. What else? Yeah, I'm trying to get this software. This software is right here. To collect emails from Craigslist. So how it works, I'm waiting for the software, but I might do another review video on this if it works. But usually, like I on Fiverr, right here, just type right here, do videos on YouTube, and I usually got it on Fiverr. This is the guy that's selling it, but you could get it for 70 bucks. I got it for 70 bucks. He's selling it for 30 bucks. But I low bought his ass off. He's from Nigeria, I think. And I told, hey, I only got 17 bucks, 15 bucks. Okay, that's it. I know this software, you can get it for free online, but I was too late to look for it. But yeah, this is how it works. Let's go to Craigslist. On the free section. No, on the free section, no. On the resume section. Resume, whatever. All these people are broke. With the software, you're going to collect their email. Their email right here. Their real email. All depends if they put their real email. Or their, on the email from Craigslist. So you will collect a lot of emails. Usually I was looking for software to post on automatic on the free section. But usually I found this one is good too. Because usually I'm doing a lot of email blasting. So that works for me too. That software. But usually what I do on Gmail, usually I do unlimited. I send unlimited emails per day. All depends on how many emails do I have per day. But usually I used to do it with 100K. But it's a little bit more advanced. A lot of people been asking. That's why I didn't do another video about that. Because a lot of people were gonna ask me a lot of questions, and I don't have time to respond. And usually, if you want to learn email blasting, just go Gmass right here. Gmass. It costs like 13 bucks. Email blasting 100K. Unlimited email blasting. Unlimited. So it's not unlimited emails per day. It costs like 50 bucks. Not a lot. Because you gotta have a wholesaler account, a CPA service, a lot of shit involved. A lot of technical shit that a lot of people won't understand if they don't know about email blasting. But this is good for beginners. Gmass, 12 bucks, 95 cents, 500 a month. And this is for G Suite. It's from Google. You can send like 2K, I think, for 12 bucks a month, but you gotta purchase a domain name, like you have a own business or something. You should have know a lot about this. I was gonna do a review video on this, but I always get caught up on something new, more better. I was gonna try to teach you guys how to do email blasting, the basics, but I'm always busy. I always get caught up on something new that I gotta make more money, so I just pause it. But do your research on this. I think it's 12 bucks. Yeah, it's 12 bucks a month, but you gotta have a domain. You gotta purchase a domain name for GoDaddy, Namecheap, or whatever, and connect it to G Suite. You can send like 2K for your Gmail. For your Gmail, you can send like 2K per day instead of 500. This is your regular Gmail account. You can send 500. And what else? What else? I think that's it. Oh, on this one, I gotta try to promote the software. I'm already promoting it, but on Instagram, this off I already made like 834 bucks. This is the offer. This is a private CPA network that I pay money to join. Because usually you pay that training course, and then after you're done with the training course, the owner let you he doesn't even do an interview or nothing. He just let you get in for free without asking a question after you purchase his training course. That's a lot on I've been seeing that a lot on CPA marketers. They do their own networks. As long as you buy their training courses, they will let you in for free with asking a question like an interview or nothing. So usually like Max Bounty, Shave Mounty, Shave Bounty, sorry. They shave you because they don't pay you what they supposed to. They shave you. Let's say you're getting $1,000 per day, and they shave you like for $800. Like nonsense. And this network is very private. Nobody knows about this network. So I already make like $100. This is new. This is what I'm gonna start promoting on Craigslist. With the software. Is this one? Just gotta put on your email and name, subscribe, and then it will take you right here. You have like $7, no thanks, and that's it. You'll get paid 50 cents. You should have gonna do it on Craigslist. I'm gonna do it on the gig section, labor. Nobody's promoting the labor section. That's why I like Craigslist, because nobody is promoting on Craigslist right now. Any IM, internet marketer, affiliate marketer, whatever, nobody's promoting. It's empty right now. It's empty, and I make money niche. So if I put like a post like this one, learn how to make from home. All this, I only have to do that. Where is it? I only have to do that, and that's it. I'll get a lot of leads. A lot of leads. It adds up very quick. 50 cents per lead. They just gotta put their name and their email, and they say no, thank you. They don't have, and that's it. I get paid 50 cents. It adds up pretty quick on Craigslist. That's why I like Craigslist right now. Oakland East, and just post it right here. Where's gig section? Should I post most on the labor section? Labor and creative computers. Usually from a lot of all of it, but usually more on labor because these people are desperate for work. Usually they cost $10. Yeah, just copy. Yes, and put like something. Think outside the box. I have a training course for this if you want. I'm just gonna give it to a couple people. Just type if you see it on Facebook, type comment below CL, or send me your email, or on YouTube. Just send me your email, and I will give it to you. I always get it for free before, and a lot of people took advantage, and yeah, some of them are making money, some of them taking action. Some of them, they don't take action, they just see the videos and wait. They're just on the sidelines watching everybody making money and crazy. But yeah, if you're seeing this video on YouTube, subscribe, like, and comment, and share, and everything. Alright? And don't forget to send me your email so I can send you the course only to a couple people. Alright? Thanks for watching this video. See ya. Peace.